Welcome, dear student. Stay home and obey the rules of health for coronavirus and watch video class. Learn English. I am Mohammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Jashore. Subject English for today for class 7, Unit 8, likes and dislikes, lesson 2, topic Kobita's village. Where is this place? Yes, this is the village. What do you see in these pictures? Yes, this is also a scene of village. Today we are going to learn about Kobita's village, Unit 8, Lesson 2, page number 86, time 50 minutes. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to make questions about answer to the table, read about Kobita's village, then discuss in pairs what you like or dislike about her village. Match the names of the food items given below with the pictures. Discuss which of the foods above like, dislike. Section A, open your book. Make questions from the table, then ask and answer them in pairs. Find how many of like or dislike each of these 5 things. But you answer them individually. Do you like watching cricket on TV, reading ghost stories, ভূতের গল্প, eating pineapples, আনারস, doing mathematics, গণিত, getting up early, সকালে ওঠা? Try to write this sentence. Now you match your answer. Do you like watching cricket on TV? তুমি টেলিভিশনে ক্রিকেট খেলা দেখতে পছন্দ করো? Yes, I like. Do you like reading ghost stories? তুমি কি ভূতের গল্প পছন্দ করো? No, I don't like. না, আমি পছন্দ করি না। Do you like eating pineapples? তুমি আনারস খেতে পছন্দ করো? Yes, I like it. হ্যাঁ, আমি এটা পছন্দ করি। Do you like doing mathematics? তুমি অঙ্ক করতে পছন্দ করো? No, I don't. না, আমি করি না। Do you like getting up early? তুমি সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠতে পছন্দ করো? Yes, I like. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি। Now we learn some vocabulary. Theater in Bangla, নাট্য মঞ্চ. Try to meaning in English. Yes, this is the picture is theater. You try. Yes, theater meaning playhouse where plays are performed. Next sentence. There is a theater club in Kobita's village. Next. Load shedding. বিদ্যুৎ সরবরাহ বিচ্ছিন্ন থাকা. Try to what meaning in English? Yes, this is the picture. Discontinuation of supply of electricity. Now make a sentence. The villagers of Kobitas experience frequent load shedding in summer. Now you watch a picture, the chain of village. Now you open your textbooks and match with me. The name of Kobitas village is Sundarpur. It is a small village on the bank of the river Colony. The beautiful river flows through the village. There are one high school, 3 primary schools, and one vocational training center in this village. Next. Yes, you watch these pictures here. A computer club, library, and theater. Kobita and her friends learn computer at this center. There is a theater club and a small library too. Kobita can borrow books from the library. She borrows books from the library. She borrows books on history, poetry, and children's classic. The theater club stage plays regularly. Last month, Kobita enjoyed the Mohua drama dance performed by the theater club. The village has a bazaar on the riverside. This is a river, noisy and dirty place. Kobita never goes to the bazaar. The village roads are also narrow and dirty. Although there is electricity in Sundarpur, the villagers experience frequent load shedding in summer. Now write what you like or dislike about Kobita's village. Take your khata and pen and try to write, then match with me. Okay? You read at home and try to do at home. Now match your answer with me. Like, dislike. At first I show you like things. On river, 2. Training center, 3. Theater club, 4. Library, 5. Drama. Dislikes, noisy, dirty, narrow roads, load shedding. Now section C, look at the food that Kavita usually eats at home. In pairs, match the names of the food items given below with the pictures. But now we match individually. Yes, match your answer, bitter gourd, অর্থাৎ তিতো উচ্ছে here in Bangla. Next, egg fry, fish fry, chapati, singara, mashed potato. Now discuss which of the foods above you like or dislike. Follow the example below. Example, do you like French fry? In Bangla, তুমি কি আলুর চিপস ভাজি খেতে পছন্দ করো? Yes, I do. It's delicious. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি কারণ এটা সুস্বাদু। Do you like that fish? তুমি কি শুটকি মাছ পছন্দ করো? No, I don't. I can't stand the smell. না, আমি পছন্দ করি না কারণ আমি এর গন্ধ সহ্য করতে পারি না। Now you try individually. Write for this example. Now match your answer. Do you like egg fry? Yes, I like it very much. Do you like bitter gourd? তুমি কি তিতো করলা পছন্দ করো? No, I can't tolerate the taste কারণ এটা আমার কাছে তিতো লাগে। Do you like fish fry? Yes, I like it. It is very tasty. Now evaluation. Where is Kavita's village situated? Try to answer. Yes, Kavita's village is situated on the bank of the river Colony. What are the village roads? Yes, the village roads are narrow and dirty. What types of books does Kavita borrow from the library? Yes, Kavita borrows books from the library on history, poetry and children's classic. Homework. Write a short paragraph about Kavita's village by using your own words. After opening school, you show your class teacher Kavita's village paragraph. Dear student, after finishing this class, you will watch the video www.youtube.com, www.teachers.com, Kanek, Kishore Batayon, Khulna Online School, ভার্চুয়াল অনলাইন স্কুল, মাধ্যমিক স্তরে অনলাইন শিক্ষা, মনিরামপুর, ফেসবুক গোপালপুর স্কুল অ্যান্ড কলেজ, ফেসবুক মিজানুর রহমান। Dear student, wait my next video class. Stay home and obey the rules for health for coronavirus and study at your home. See you later. Bye bye.